Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Murano windshield wipers full guide. Lift the wiper arm, press the release tab, and slide the blade off the arm. Start by parking on a level surface and turning off the ignition. Measure old blades and buy matching replacements. Align the new blade with the hook, snap into place, and gently lower the arm back to glass. Test both blades for clean contact. Gather a soft cloth, a small flathead screwdriver, and replacement blades that match your vehicle's length and connector type. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass to a secure position. Use the screwdriver only if the release tab is stiff. Avoid bending the arm. Keep a towel under the arm to protect the paint. Inspect the wiper arm and pivot for rust or damage before installing the new blades. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so I use Little Tree's black ice to keep my cabin fresh. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video for more helpful guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals on car care essentials, and grab one if you want fresher rides. This ad supports the channel and helps us keep making tutorials. Now let's get back to the video. After removing the old blade, align the adapter on the new blade with the wiper hook and slide until it clicks. Ensure the locking tab engages and gently tug to confirm security. Lower the arm slowly to the glass to avoid snapping. Repeat the process on the passenger side, noting that blade lengths may differ. Finally, run the wipers with washer fluid to verify streak-free contact and proper operation across the windshield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.